If you're wondering where are the speakers located on your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57, so in this video I will answer this question. Now both the Galaxy A37 and the A57 have a stereo speaker setup, meaning that these phones have two speakers to give you a stereo sound effect. Now, if you grab your Samsung phone and if you look at the bottom of the phone, as you can see this cutout in the frame is for the primary speaker. Now the secondary speaker is built with the earpiece of your phone. Now if you want to check the speakers of your phone, then just open the phone app and from here just dial this *#0*#. And after you do that, you will enter into the diagnostic section. Now over here you will find the option for speaker. Now if you tap on the speaker option once, it will play music from both of the speakers at the same time. But if you tap on it one more time, it will only play the music from the bottom speaker, and for the third time, it will only play the music from the earpiece. Just like that. Now if I tap on it one more time, as you can see, it is only playing music from one speaker. And as you can see, this time it is not using the speaker, but it is playing music from the speaker. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.